Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in.
Alright, so now we gotta take this piece off. There's going to be screws because it looks like there's screws down there. So I got my screw gun. Oh. Did you like that? There's a screw right there, you can see it. Alright, well, age has done its time. That sucked. Let's see how rotten these are. Coming up, she's got 3 screws in there. Alright. Only problem is when I put a new one in, I might hit the same holes, which would suck, but it is what it is. Maybe. Alright. Do something a little different here. The screws, I'm just going to cut them. Well, I gotta have a power source. Just had to get with it. Just had to get jiggy with it. Alright, that's free now. Alright, put my post up here. Do the same thing all the way down because I cannot get the screw heads. Done. Ow. Ah. Hazards of the job. Alright, get the next one. Shit is gone. Little shit there. Here you can see where the rod is. That came because this was letting water in. Of course, you're going to give me a fit, aren't you? So water was transferring from that right into here. So what I'm going to do, when I screw it again, I'm going to screw it up here, and it'll be fine. This will dry over time, and then it'll be good as new. Because this is going to sit on top. No water is going to get there anymore. This is just naturally dry and fix itself. So when I drilled into this, tap that all down. This side up here is really good. I'll just hit that down. Go from there. You can see this here was put in between. It wasn't even hit the 2x4 here anyway. Alright, here we go. What I'm doing now is I'm just going to knock these down. Gives me something nice and smooth. Same thing here. I'm not spending a whole lot of time on it. I don't want to hurt the rest of the integrity of this thing. But mentally I'm going to remember it's right here, roughly, where I can put the screws and leave this side completely alone. It's going to sit right there. Bring it up a little bit more here. and then screw it down. I like that, like that. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. So we're just going to mark that right here. 3/4 of an inch. That's roughly where I want it. Now, put that bad boy right there. Done. And just work your way up the railing. Hopefully this will hit the wood. Should. Oh, woof, 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 woof. All right. I want it. 1.5 inches from here. Until where my nail's going to go into. There. Don't throw your tape measure down. That's pretty stupid. Okay. So, there you go. Not where I want it to be, but it's in there and it's not going anywhere. It looks very nice, as you can see. Looks nice. What you can see is what we did was we replaced the old one with this. What we learned was if you don't fix this rot over time, it's just going to keep getting worse and worse and worse and worse. But it's fixed now. It'll last another 10 years easy. It's solid. It's not going anywhere. Just needs to be painted because it's supposed to rain the next couple of days. But I hope this helped. Again, most of it is great because, number one, you had the template. So that makes things five times better. So I think I'm just going to paint it. Hope this helps.